Welcome back to Fix It Fools, where we buy ridiculous sized wrenches for ridiculous sized drain plugs. Today, we are back on the 1949 Ford 8N. In the last video, if you guys didn't watch it, I'll leave it in the corner up there in the icon. Last video, we got it running. Today, we're gonna get it reliable and ready to work around. We're gonna get it running well, so we're gonna give it an oil change, coolant. We're gonna reassemble this hydraulic loader. We're gonna grease the back, probably get a new battery, do a few other things. So currently, I'm gonna pull our dipstick, wipe this off real quick. Some black oil. But if we go ahead, shove this dipstick back down in there, give it a second, pull it back out, you can see that our oil's maybe a little overfull, but safe operating range pretty much. But it is very black, so we're gonna see if we can't get this oil out and check the engine health of this old tractor and see just how bad our oil is. And it's free. There we go. This is a massive drain plug. I'm going to stop while I'm ahead since this drain plug is so massive and get something way bigger. Oh, clumps.
Huh?
I'm not gonna unscrew this fully. I'm gonna unscrew it till it starts coming out pretty wild. Then we'll see what happens. That's almost out. So we're just gonna let it drizzle, because I don't know how much oil's gonna be in here. I don't know how much oil's gonna be in here. Whoa! Okay, that was stupid. Wow. Wow. I'm glad I doubled that up. Wow. I'm pretty sure our oil fill is this right here, so we're gonna take this off pretty carefully. Just go ahead and pull that off. Good. Set those up there, and then that off, and I'm pretty sure, yep, that comes out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, that would be our oil fill. Next up is coolant. Let's trick shot it. Oh, never mind. No trick shots. I give up on trick shots. Next thing to get this thing running like new is a brand new battery, so maybe it will actually start itself. I prefer not to put it in through the top. Slide the new battery in, now that I got the battery plate off. Now that we've made sure that this thing should, in theory, haven't tested it, fire up on its own, run smooth and not overheat, we're gonna take it up to the house for a bath, so for the rest of our jobs should be a lot cleaner because it's a little dirty. So let's see if this thing starts. Give it a second. We are leaking from the other side. Tell them what? Why the video was late this week?
No, tell them.
Why they aren't subscribed? I mean, you should subscribe, but like...
No, tell them about the tractor!
Oh, well, you got the wrong guy for that.
Tell them.
You want to know the history of the tractor?
Yes!
Evan's grandpa had this tractor sitting behind his garage for a lot of years. And Evan's great-grandpa was a colonel who flew fighter jets and bombers all the way back to World War II and Vietnam and Korea. And he was a trainer. And after he retired, he did a lot of things like race, land speed record, 4-cylinder cars. He built cars, and he built and restored Model A cars, and he was a Ford guy, and he fabricated engine parts in his machine shop to make the Model A's go highway speeds. He had this tractor out behind his garage, and he had used it around his property. We have black and white photos of them using it, him operating it, but Evan's mom doesn't remember it ever running in her lifetime. And when he passed away, that was one of the things that we were allowed to have.
Let's see if we can drive this thing to the front yard for a wash. But that's just because I haven't adjusted the carb. But I'm gonna let it run for a minute while I make a concoction to dissolve the grease. So. Now it's time to get these hydraulics in. These are the original ones off the tractor. My dad rebuilt them when he was trying to get this thing running. So I got the first pin in. Now we need to get the rear pin in, which might take a little work. It's a little dirty, so I'm cleaning this off as I go. Well, that's gonna be it for this video on the 1949 Ford 8N tractor. If you guys liked and enjoy automotive content just like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'm definitely gonna need a new tire and to reseal that other hydraulic, but thankfully I have a hydraulic on hand. But it was doing pretty good until it decided it wanted to shred its tire, so. But if you guys want more videos on this 1949 tractor, leave a comment and I will make a new video. But if not, I'll do all the work off camera, and I'm gonna get this thing turning into a beast at work. And from there, this thing is gonna be a yard tractor, well, farm tractor, but yeah. Well, if you guys liked this video, stay tuned for next week's video, and sorry this one was late. I'll see you guys all later.